Welcome to Examrally. Today we are going to discuss another set of arithmetic for SBI PO and SBI CLERK Prelims 2025. First one, a packet contains a mixture of chili and turmeric powder with the ratio of a turmeric to chili powder being 6:5. After removing 80 grams of chili powder from the mixture and adding 100 grams of turmeric powder, then the resultant ratio of turmeric to chili powder becomes 5:3. Find the initial total quantity of turmeric powder. See, this question is based on mixture. They have given a mixture of chili and the turmeric powder. The initial quantities of both are not given, but the ratio of the initial quantity has been given. Okay, let's take the ratio of turmeric to that of chili powder being 6:5. So let's take the initial quantity. See here, real value they didn't mention, so let's the real value be 6x and 5x. From here 80 gram of chili powder has been removed. So 5x minus 80 and adding 100 gram of turmeric powder. 6x plus 100. Okay, this will be the newly formed quantity. Then their ratio has been given as 5:3. Turmeric to chili. So 6x plus 100 divided by 5x minus 80 equal to 5/3. Okay. So 18x plus 300 equal to 25x minus 400. So 7x will be equal to 700 and x value will be equal to 100. They asked to find the initial quantity of the turmeric powder. Initial quantity of the turmeric powder is 6x. X is equal to 100. So 6x will be 600 gram. Okay, this is a easy level question. Next one. Two inlet tap X and Y fill the tank in 12 hours and S plus 24 hours respectively. See, there are two inlet pipe X and Y. It has been filled. So both are filling pipe. Okay, in 12 hours and S plus 24 hours respectively. That is the time taken. Okay, while two outlet pipe M and N emptied it in X plus 6 hours and 24 hours. And there are two outlet pipe, that means emptying pipe. Okay, so S plus 6 hours and 24 hours respectively. See here, they have not directly given the exact time. Okay, then if the tap X, Y, M, N are opened simultaneously and the tank is filled completely in 72 hours, find the value of S. See here, the total time taken by the tank for filling is 72 hours like that given. Asked to find out the value of S. See, for like this questions, instead of solving and making a quadratic equation and solving, just go through. See here, days like that given. It is not days, it will be hours. Okay. See, just at a glance eliminate three options from S, because S value, total time taken to fill the tank is 72. We know the total capacity equal to total time taken into total efficiency. Okay, so total capacity by total efficiency will be the total time. Here the total time is given as 72. We don't know the total capacity. We can't find out the total capacity randomly. Okay, Y means here both the Y and M are not real. Okay, like efficiency also not given. So anyway, the total capacity of the tank will be, let's take the total capacity of tank be 72. Okay, or more than the 72, or it can be a multiple of 72. Okay, how we can eliminate means that particular 72 will be, it should be, will be not, it should be divisible in all the four taps. Okay, so suppose if we are 72 is not divisible in 15 and all. Okay, suppose if we are taking SS 15 is not divisible in 72 at a glance we can say, but you just add the value 15 plus 24, which will be equal to how much? 9. 15 and 24 24 means 9, 39. It is not divisible. Like 20 also not divisible in 72. This also will be cancelled. 16 also not divisible. See, these two values is divisible in 72. Let's take whether 18 will be divisible. 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24 will be equal to 42. 42 is not divisible in 72. Hence, the value of S will be 12. Just go through it. Suppose if we are taking the total capacity as a 72. 72 divided by 12 is 6. Okay. S is given as, we are taking the S should be divisible in 12. Okay. So from here we are taking 12. 12 plus 24, that is 36. 36 is divisible in 72 by 2 times. Then 12 plus 6, 18. 72 divided by 18 is 4. 72 divided by 24 is 3. Okay. So total capacity by total efficiency, that is 72 divided by 6 plus 2, 8 minus, this will be the leaking tap. Okay. 7 minus 4 plus 3, 7. That is equal to 72 hours. See, this is the manner we are solving this type of questions. Okay. See, from within a fraction of seconds itself, we can eliminate the 3 options, and if we are putting an option in 18 here or 12 here itself, we can easily find out the value of S. Okay. Next one, Verma and Sharma started the business with the investment of 4,800 and rupees 6,000 respectively. After 6 months, Verma increased his investment by rupees L. At the end of the year, the ratio of profit sharing of Verma and Sharma is 9:10. Find the value of L. See, this question is based on the partnership. In partnership, we know one concept, that is profit sharing ratio equal to investment into time period. Investment into time period. The time can be in the month, days, or it can be in year also. Okay. Here, 2 persons are investing, that is Verma and Sharma. So let's take the investment ratio or investment be 4,800 and Sharma's investment be 6,000. Okay. Then period or the time taken. Okay. Here they have given after 6 months Verma increased. See, till 6 months Verma invested at the rupees 4,800. So 4,800 into 6. This will be for the investment of Verma till 6 months. After 6 months, 4,800 plus L into 6. Okay. Sharma invested for the whole period 6,000 rupees only into 12. Then their ratio is given as 9:10. That is 4,800 into 6 divided by 4,800 plus L into 6 equal to 4,800 plus 6 plus 4,800 plus L into 6 divided by 6,000 into 12 equal to 9/10. Okay. Suppose if we are taking 6 common here, 4,800 plus 4,800 plus L divided by 6 into 12,000 we will get equal to 9/10. Okay, 0, 0 cancel, 6, 6 get cancelled. So 9,600 plus L divided by 1,200 equal to 9/1. So 9,600 plus L equal to 10,800, and L value from here 9,600 deducted, L value will be equal to 1,200. This is also an easy level question. Okay. Next one, Rachin traveled from Hyderabad to Srinagar for 24 hours and covering 800 kilometer by flight and 1,600 kilometer by train. If the time taken by the train is 16 hours more than the time taken by the flight, find the speed of the flight. See, this is based on the time speed distance. Okay. Distance is equal to speed into time. They have given a person is covering on 2 different paths and at 2 different paths, and the distance also remains different. Okay, it doesn't remains constant here. So the distance traveled in flight equal to 800 kilometer, and the distance traveled in train equal to 1600 kilometer. So let the speed of the train be t and let's the speed of the flight to be f. Okay, so if you are taking like this, 800 is the flight distance. Okay, distance divided by f, this will be the time, plus 1600 divided by what, train, equal to total 24 hours which has been given. Second, they have given the train is 16 hours more than the time taken by the flight, which means 1600 by t minus 800 by f will be equal to 16. Okay, this will be the second equation. If we are solving, we can easily find out that 3200 by t equal to 40, which means t value will be equal to 80, that is 80 kilometer per hour. Once the speed of the train is 80 kilometer per hour, you can equate here 1600 by 80, which is equal to how much? 20. 20 will be the time taken by the train. Time taken by the train is 20, total time taken is 24. So from here, the flight time we will get it as 4. They ask the speed of the flight. Speed of the flight will be equal to 800 divided by 4, which is equal to 200 kilometer per hour. Here there is no change in the unit value. Okay, this is an easy type question. Next one. The ratio of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 5:8:6 and the volume of a cuboid is 6480 meter cube. The side of the square is 20% more than the length of the cuboid. Find the perimeter of the square. See here, length, breadth and height of a cuboid are given in the ratio, that is not in the real form. So to make it real, we can multiply a variable, that is x, by all the three common. Okay, that is 5x, 8x and 6x. As we know, the volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height, which is 5x into 8x into 6x equal to 6480. So if we are cancelling, we will get 1080. Okay, 8 times 1 8s are 8. 3 8s are 24. 5 again 5 we are cancelling, 27. So x cube equal to 27. X value will be equal to 3. Okay, the side of the square is 20% more than the length. See, so length will be 5x, that is equal to 15, and 15 means it is 20% more than 120 by 100, which is 6 by 5. Okay, that equal to 18. This will be the side of the square. Let's represent the side of a square be a, and the perimeter of a square will be 4a, that is equal to 72 meter. See, unit is important in mensuration. Here there is no change in the value, so just exactly they have given 4a equal to 72 meter. Okay, next one. The selling price of the tempered glass is rupees y and the profit percentage of the tempered glass is 20%. If the cost price of the tempered glass is 8400, find the value of y plus 20. See here, they are asked to find the selling price y plus 20. Here selling price be y. Okay, asked to find out y plus 20. Okay, we know they given the exact value of 8400. Either you can directly see 8400 is the cost price into 120%, which means 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6 means that will be equal to your selling price. Like this you can directly find it out, because profit percentage is given as 20%, like that. So it will be your SP, like that you can get from that SP again y plus 60 will be your answer. Okay, instead of going like this, 20% means it is equal to 1 by 5. So 5 is the cost price, 1 is the profit percentage. Okay, so if you are taking CP as 5x and profit is 1, so selling price will be 6x. Okay, 6x equal to, see, I have rewritten it. 5x equal to 5400. What will be the value of 6x, like that's asked. That is how much? 8400 divided by 5 into 6 will be our answer. That is 6,000, right? 80 0 8 1 0 0 8 0 is the answer. Y plus 20 means that equal to 10100. Okay, 20% of its 120% means we will get its selling, that is 10,100. See, both the options are given. Don't they asked to find out y plus 20. Okay. Next question. The average weight of the 12 members, 7 elders and 5 younger in the family is C plus 25 kg. If the average weight of the elders in the family is 80 kg and the average weight of the younger member in the family is 68 kg, find the value of C. See, this question is based on the average. Here, the elders weight is given as 80. Okay, youngest weight is given as 68. And the whole family they have given as 6 plus 25. See, either you can use the concept average or you can use it by allocation. Here, always remember here that there are elders 7 members and youngest 5 members. Okay, no value is been commonly going in 7 and 5. So this will be the ultimate value, final value. Okay, so just to see the difference between 80 and 68, that is 12. So this 12 should be going in those values. That means the C should be a value. If we are subtracting 68 minus C plus 25, we should get the 7. Okay, why we have to get means, as we know the rule of allocation, one value, the mean value should be less than another value and it should be greater than the other value. Okay, so suppose 68 minus 25, which is 43, plus 7 you have to take to get the C, that is equal to 50. Or you can take 80 minus 25, which is 55, minus you have to take because 8 is greater value, minus 5, that is equal to 50. Okay, why we have to take the difference and we have to distribute. If there is any common number here, again we have to make it in common and then you have to find out the ratio. Here nothing given. Okay, so directly we can assume the 7 and 5 will be the final number. Thus C value equal to 50. Okay, suppose if you are not getting this allocation method, you can directly go for average also. Here the average of the elders as well as average weight of the younger is given. So total weight will be, for total weight of the elders will be 80 into 7 plus 68 into 5 equal to C plus 25 into 12. Okay, so likewise we can get the value of C as 50. See, this will be easy. No need to find it in allocation and all. Just you find the difference and use your value. Okay, the both values should be less, like that. You just go through and find it out. Okay. Next one, the speed of the boat in still water to the stream is 8:5. If the time taken to cover 780 km upstream is 20 hours, then find the time taken to cover 1183 km downstream. See, this type of question we already discussed in our previous set 1 to 3. Okay, because speed of boat in still water, this is repeatedly being asked in our SBI CLERK exams. Okay, so as we know, speed of boat in still water is 8 and stream by 5. It is not real, so it is unit 8x and 5x. So upstream speed will be equal to 8x minus 5x, that is 3x, and downstream speed will be equal to 13x, that is 8x plus 5x, that is 13x. Okay, here they have given the distance upstream taken in the time 20 hours. So this will be our speed, 780 distance divided by time equal to speed. Okay, that is 39. So 39, 3x equal to 39. So x value will be equal to 30. This will be the unit. Okay. So this 13 will be equal to downstream speed equal to 13 into 13, which is equal to 169. From here we directly get the value of x as 13, just equating it in downstream speed, that is 169. They asked to find the time taken to cover 1183 kilometer downstream. So downstream speed, downstream distance is 1183 and downstream speed is 169. So time taken will be, see what value if we are multiplying with 9, we will get 3, that is 7. Okay, 7 hours is our answer. Next one. The average of the present age of Karina, Rekha and Deepika is 38 years. The present age of Rekha is 25% more than the of Karina, and after 4 years Karina will be 3 years older than Deepika. Find the present age of Deepika. See, this is a easy level question based on what ages. Okay. Here they have given the sum of percentage of Karina, Rekha and Deepika as 38. So total sum will be 38 into 3, which is equal to 114. See, one more they have given the percentage of Rekha is 25% more than that of Karina. So suppose if the Karina's age be 100 unit, Rekha's age will be 125. Okay. So if we are cancelling in 25, we will get 5x and 4x. Okay. Then they have given after 4 years. After 4 years means 4x plus 4. Karina's age will be 3 years older than that of the Deepika. So Karina will be 3 years less than Deepika, means minus 3. This will be the Deepika's age. Okay. So no need to find out after 4 years and convert into percentage, as we all know how many years after or before the age gap between the person does not change. Okay, so the present age of Deepika will be 4x minus 3. So sum of all the 3 will be how much? 5x plus 4x, 9x. 9x plus 4x will be equal to 13x. 13x minus 3 equal to 114 and 13x equal to 117. X value will be equal to 9. Okay, they asked to find out the percentage of Deepika. Percentage of Deepika is 4x minus 3. 9 4s are 36 minus 3, that equal to 33 years. Okay. None of this will be our answer. See, like this type of questions has been repeatedly asking in our SBI CLERK exams. Okay. Next one. A invested a certain amount at 20% rate of interest for 2 years in simple interest scheme. B invested the same amount at the same rate of interest for 2 years in compound interest scheme. Find the amount invested by A if the difference between the interest received by A and B is 600. See, this is the question based on interest. Okay, there are two schemes, A and B. Both scheme they invested same amount but at different schemes. Okay, one at the simple interest and another at the compound interest, but here the principal and the time period remains constant. Okay, so one is invested at 20% rate and another also invested at the 20% rate, but in case of a compound for 2 years it is not 20%. Okay, so for the rate of interest for 2 years will be in simple interest, that is 40% into 2, but in case of compound 20% is for 1 year. For second year it will be 44%, as we discussed in previous videos and all. Okay, A plus B plus AB by 100, which would be equal to 20 plus 20 plus 20 into 20 by 100, that is equal to 44%. Okay, this will be our rate of interest for in the second year. So suppose as the principal remains constant in both the schemes, the p value, let's take the p value be 100%. Okay, so difference between the interest is 44% minus 40, that is 4%. 4% is given as 600, so 100% will be equal to 600 divided by 4 into 100, which is equal to 15,000. Okay. See, no need to use here the formulas for compound interest. Just do it in percentage method. Okay. For compound interest, just by heart the values 10%, 20%, 30%, because these values are being repeatedly asked, 5% also. Okay. So I hope this video will be useful for all. Just like, subscribe our channel and join our Telegram group for our regular updates. Okay. Thank you.